Hey guys, welcome to Zoloblocks. In this block tutorial, let's explore the advanced search block to give your audience an amazing search experience in Gutenberg. Let's go. So, inside the Gutenberg page editor, let's try to insert a block below the heading, then type Advanced Search and select the block from the quick menu. Dropping inside, the default block appears as a field with placeholder text and a search button. From the options, you can choose between the two preset styles, where Preset Style 2 adds a floating tooltip over the field. Now for the button style, you can either place it outside the field or move it inside the range. Not only that, you can choose to hide the button text or icon using the switches in the options. In the content section right below, you can change the button icon, text, and field placeholder text. Jumping inside the Style tab, you can first change the typography of the fields. The typography option combines font style customizations, such as font family, size, weight, spacing, etc. After that, you can customize the border around the search bar, for instance, change the border type and the color. Also, you can adjust the border radius to curve the edges of the field. You might want to adjust padding settings in case you want the search bar to appear in a different shape. Then comes the colors of text, placeholder, and background of the field. Not to forget the box shadow option at the bottom. The color and shadow options are also available in hover mode, alongside a width setting for the field border. After that comes the button section. Here, you can change the button icon size on top. There's also a typography option for the button text. Below is a scroll bar for button size adjustments. Skipping the border and border radius options, you can work on padding to match the button height to the search field. Then also add border radius to match the edge curves. Then from the bottom, you can juggle the colors of text, icon, and background to create a nice pattern. After that, some minor adjustments to button size and padding should do the trick. Now, just update the changes, and the search bar is ready to serve your audience. You can take a look at more ready patterns to get design inspirations. All of these can be made using the advanced search block. That's all for this video. Thanks for staying with Zoloblocks. Please like and subscribe to this video and stay updated for more block tutorials. See you soon!